Hey guys! Today I introduce Japanese steaming egg custard, Chawanmushi, a traditional Japanese dish made by combining dashi broth and eggs, then steaming them to perfection. The texture is incredibly smooth, making it a delight to eat. This dish is commonly enjoyed in Japanese restaurants and households. It can be made using just a frying pan, and I'll show you how to make it. So let's make it together!
Let's introduce ingredients: eggs, dashi packs, shrimp, crab sticks, sprig of mitsuba, salt, mirin, and soy sauce. With these ingredients, you'll be able to make the smoothie and delicious chawanmushi. Let's get started! First, we'll make the dashi broth. While you can make dashi from the scratch using bonito flake and kombu, we'll use dashi pack for simplicity. Just boil the pack as instructed to make delicious dashi. You'll need 400 ml of water. I usually boil the dashi pack for about 3 minutes. After that, remove the dashi pack and transfer the broth to another container to cool. Next, prepare the crab sticks. While we are using crab sticks, you can also use kamaboko fish cake or another ingredient you prefer. Chawanmushi is quite flexible, so feel free to add your favorite ingredients. Cut them in half for a better size. Next, prepare the eggs. Crack the eggs and mix them well. There's a trick to mixing. Move the chopsticks back and forth while touching the bottom of the bowl to avoid creating bubbles. Bubbles can create unwanted hole in the final chawanmushi, but don't worry if a few bubbles form. They'll dissipate over time. Once the eggs are mixed well, add the seasonings. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Stir gently to avoid creating bubbles. This completes the seasoning. By now, the dashi should be cooled down. Add 300 ml of dashi to egg mixture and stir well. Again, being careful not to create bubbles. Now add ingredient to your container. Add the shrimp and crab sticks. The mitsuba we'll use as a garnish at the end, so don't add it yet. Finally, pour the egg mixture into the container through a sieve to remove any unmixed egg white, ensuring the smooth texture. Cover each container with aluminum foil. Now it's time to steam. Prepare the frying pan and place a cloth inside. This will cushion the container and prevent them from rattling while steaming. Place the chawanmushi container into the pan. Ensure the container and frying pan are sized so that the lid fits securely. If the containers are too large, the lid might not close properly and we can't make chawanmushi well. And add the water until it reaches halfway up the size of containers. Heat over medium heat until the water starts to boil. Once boiling, reduce to low heat. And cover with a lid. The key is to cook it gently. Rapid heating can cause a bubble to form inside the container, resulting in the rough texture. Steam for 15 minutes. After steaming, turn off the heat. Although it's tempting to dig in immediately, let it sit for 10 minutes with the heat off. This allows the residual heat to finish cooking, achieving the smoothest texture. Now after waiting 10 minutes, let's remove the aluminum hull. Wow! A beautiful smooth chawanmushi is ready! Finally garnish the mitsuba and the chawanmushi is complete! Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Let's try it right away! Look at this lovely smooth chawanmushi! This delicate dish is truly exceptional. You'll regret it if you don't try making this. So everyone who watched this far, definitely give it a try! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.